Aloha folks, and welcome to Kimo's Own Onions. I'm going to show people how to cut an onion. Obviously, you need a knife. So,
what kind of knife is that?
This is a chef's knife. It's an 8-inch chef's knife. I've had this probably about 20 years. This is my go-to knife. I have lots of knives, but this is the one I use the most. Now, there's several ways to cut an onion, but my chef friends tell me I do it wrong. So I will do it properly. You may have to come on this side since I'm right-handed. So what you do is you go like this. You make 3 incisions, not all the way across. Actually 2 incisions, sorry, I can't count. There's 3 lines. So just like that. And then you go 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you get the idea. I'm not counting way through the onion. Now this is how my chef friends cut their onions, and you'll see people on different network stations. So, and then after you do all that, you've cut here and here. Careful your fingers. We don't want to need you to cut them off. So then you just go like this. Really, you want them small as you possibly can. And you just go like this.
Cool.
So, and then that's how you get a good onion. But if you don't want to do all that, because once you get to this part, it's pretty much done with that. Now, there's another way you can do it. I used to do it this way because this is how my mother taught me how to cut an onion. So, what you do is you go like this, and you cut it probably one more time, and then you turn it over, and you do the same thing. See, this is how I learned how to cut onions. So either way is okay. To all my chef friends that see this, blah, blah, blah. So then you turn it on. Always make sure your knife is sharp too. And you just cut it as thin as you can, because this is going to go in my macaroni salad, local kind macaroni salad. So there you go. Alrighty. Well, hopefully this helps you out, and we'll show some more videos. Aloha from Kimo's Own. Aloha, folks. Like this video and subscribe to my channel for notifications. Aloha.